Well, hello everybody. We'll be going live in about 5 minutes, so please hang on in there. I'll just go and round up Greg, and we've got some important news for you about the Global Rally in 2021. So we'll see you shortly. Hello, India. A couple of people on from India already. That's awesome.
Got me more on?
We're on. Morning, everybody.
Morning, forever world.
Let me kill this music. Got a bit of DJing going on.
We got a couple minutes.
Okay.
There might be some more joining us, don't you think?
Yeah, so anyone have any questions? Hello from very windy Stockholm. We remember Stockholm.
Ooh, yeah. It's getting chilly there right now. From Brazil. Oh, I wish I was in Brazil. Hola, ¿cómo están?
India.
India. Oh, we miss India. Oh, I want to go back to India.
I had some Indian food over the weekend.
Did you?
Yeah. It's not as good
Canada. Go Canada. Woo! Malawi. Wow.
Awesome.
Someone from Malawi. Hello. Good morning. Afternoon from the UK. Go UK!
UK's having a tough time. We're in lockdown on Thursday, I think.
I know. Hang in there, guys. You'll be fine. We'll make it. Hey, how about Des Moines, Iowa?
And
Love it. I bet it's chilly back there, too, right now.
Kira's on from Ireland. Hey, Kira.
Hey.
New York, Hungary.
Hungary. Aw, I love Hungary.
We got 800 people on so far. Come on,
I see Jane Leach, GLT member. Woo!
Who's that?
Jane. Come on, man.
We've been talking this morning already.
Nice.
Denmark, Netherlands.
She was telling me about her e-bike the other day.
Yeah, me too.
She's trying to get me to buy one. She is selling me hard on that.
Jane, are you on commission? Because you were trying to sell me one. Focus on forever.
Let's see, South Africa I just saw.
Uh-huh.
Great. Wow, I miss going to South Africa.
William Tan. Hello, man.
Yeah. Adam May's on. Rockin' sausage roll. Woo! Hey, how many of you had your fab yet? Yes.
Okay, I think.
Are we pretty good, Nick?
Time. Shall I just turn this music down? There we go. We'll kill that. So.
Well, welcome everybody. I'm so happy to be here with my partner, Nick, and we're coming to you live from the home office, and it's finally cooling down here. It's been a record summer of heat, and we're so looking forward to some cooler weather, and some of you are freezing and getting a little snow, I noticed, and so enjoy that for us if you would. But we're really happy to come to you here today, and we hope you're healthy. We hope you're smiling. We hope you're continuing to forge ahead with your forever business. We want you to know how much we appreciate and love you, and we are here to support you in every way we can. And that's funny. We just had Fernando, our country manager from Brazil, calling us. Hold on, Fernando, we'll get back to you. But we know it's a very difficult time for a lot of us, and it's been just a very strange year, and I think we've learned a lot, and a lot of us maybe have gone through some very difficult times. And our heart goes out to you, and we are here with you. We struggle also, but together we give each other strength. So I would say make sure you're around very positive people and people that give you strength and help you move forward. That is just so important. But even through this hard time, there are many of you that have forged ahead, that decided, I'm not going to let this stop me. And in fact, you've looked at it as an opportunity to grow your business, and you've done that extremely well. Some of you are growing by leaps and bounds, and I praise you and say, hey, great job, way to be a great leader. That is exactly what it's all about. Is to look at challenges and say, how can I make this into an opportunity for me and for my downline and for everyone around me? And you guys have done a great job with that. So we appreciate you and applaud you. Now, Nick, it's been a rough year.
It has.
And we've been working hard on trying to resolve some issues of the events. That you are the master of the events, of the forever events, and we have been round and round and round trying to figure out every single way that what are the options, what can we be doing to possibly hold a forever event as soon as possible. And as you guys know, some of you are experiencing it really hard right now. It has locked down. And it's, just we have to be patient. We have to do what's being asked of us and help as much as we can to get this resolved, and so that we can move on in the future. So, Nick, what I'm getting to is not so good of news, maybe.
I guess,
but
yeah.
We're going to turn it into good news.
We always do.
Yes, we will. But many of you have heard recently that the Australian government are watching very closely the pandemic, and they don't want any outsiders in their country anytime soon. And Nick's been in touch with the people in Australia, the event people there, and there is nobody foreign traveling to Australia, and they say it's not going to happen anytime soon. So we've had to make a decision based on the information we have. And unfortunately, today we're going to have to let you know that we're not going to Sydney in 2021. So I know that's disappointing. I am extremely disappointed. I love Australia. It's beautiful. It's fun. The people are incredible. But we're going to get there. We're not giving up hope, and we're going to get there. So, like I said, it may not be so good of news, but we're here to give you some good news. So, Nick, why don't you give them a little good news? They're crying right now.
Well,
stop them crying.
It's disappointing for everybody, and as Greg said, no more than us as well. We love to produce the events for you, to motivate you, to excite you, to give you experiences like no other, and it's in our blood to do that. So it is disappointing, but with the restrictions, we kind of had no choice. And of course, your safety, health and welfare are right at the top of that list. So even if there was a way to do it, it could have been tough with all the travel restrictions from your own countries, and your health comes first. We can do a trip in the future, and we will do a trip in the future. We've got fantastic support from the government and from all our partners down in Australia. So they've been working with us to try and move it forward. And I think we might have an announcement about a future rally.
Yeah,
right?
like we said, we are not giving up on going to Sydney. I mean, we're at strike 2.
Right.
In baseball, it takes 3 strikes and you're out. So we're getting up to the plate again.
Yep.
And we're going to bat away. And so we're excited to tell you that maybe not we're not going to be there in 2021. But we're going to be there in 2022. Yes, we are. We're pushing it back one more year again. We're giving them one more chance. And we're really hoping that we can get this under control. If we can get some vaccines out there and we can get people with a little more confidence and being able to get over this. We really feel like 2022 is the year that we will be in Sydney. Yes.
We're not giving up, and neither is Sydney, to be honest. They desperately want our event. We would have been one of the biggest events in 2020 and 2021 that Sydney have ever had. So they definitely want us back, and they're being amazing to work with to move everything over to 22. So look out for that. But we do have some good news, I think, to hopefully keep you excited, keep you focused. So
let's talk first about 2021. Okay. So these guys are working really hard right now.
Absolutely.
We're almost to the end. We're in November now. Can you believe that? 2 more months. So we want to make sure you continue to work hard for your 1.5K, your 2.5K, your 5K, your 7.5K, your 10K, your 12.5K, your 15K, your 20K. I hope there's someone out there, 25K, possibly. It's a possibility. And so we want you to work, and make sure there's an incentive for you at the end. So instead of going to Sydney, what's going to happen, Nick?
Okay, so there's a whole bunch of information coming right now. You don't need to write it all down because we'll post a PDF on this stream as soon as this Facebook Live is over with all the details. So just listen up. You don't need to bother writing things down. So for rally qualifiers, so if you're a chairman's bonus, less than 1.5, or as Greg said, 1.5, 2.55, etc., you're going to be getting 3 main benefits to look forward to. The first one is we're going to give you an exclusive rally gift pack. Those of you that may have seen the Eagle Manager Retreat packs that we sent out a week or so ago, that type of thing, we've not worked out exactly what it is, but it will be exclusive for the rally qualifiers this year.
It will be awesome.
It will be awesome. The second thing we're going to give you is VIP attendance to the virtual Global Rally event that we will host probably in early April 2021. We're still working out the details of that, but it's going to be bigger, better, brighter, more exciting, tons of training, tons of recognitions, tons of fun as always with the Global Rally. And as qualifiers, you'll have VIP attendance to that event. We'll be giving you a lot more details about what that looks like going forward. And then the third benefit for you rally qualifiers is cash compensation. Moolah, in lieu of the trip, of course. So I'll just go through quickly what those are. Where are they?
Hey, that's what happens when you're live.
It is live. Okay.
It's good, though. We promise. Right, Nick?
It is. Give me a second.
You're going to like this, guys. Cash in your pocket. I mean, what are you going to do with it? That's what you got to be asking yourself right now. If I finish strong at the end of 2020 and I qualify for that level of qualification, I'm going to get some cash in my pocket. What am I going to do with it? Start thinking.
Okay, I got the numbers. I was definitely prepared. It's Monday morning. So if your chairman's bonus less than 1.5 level at the end of this year, you'll be taking $2,500 US cash compensation plus your spending money, rally level spending money, which is $250. So in total, chairman's bonus less than 1.5 will be taking $2,750.
Woo!
That's
Yes.
awesome. If you're 1.5K level, you'll be earning $3,000 US cash compensation plus your $500 spending money for that level, making a total of $3,500.
Wow.
2.5K, you'll be earning $3,500 cash compensation and $1,200 of your spending money, making a total of 4,700. That's nearly $5,000.
Dang, it's getting better.
If you're a 5K, you'll be earning $4,000 plus 2,200 spending money, which is a total of $6,200.
Wow.
For 5K level.
I'm feeling lighter and lighter as you go.
I'm sorry, man.
It's all coming out.
So keep a note on these levels, because I know some of you are real close to moving up, and this might be the extra motivation to move up. So we've got up to 5K there. If you're GLT, and it's looking like we might have maybe 3 new GLT this year.
Wow, awesome.
You'll be earning $5,000 cash compensation plus your $3,200 spending money, $8,200 if you're 7.5K. 10K gets $6,000 plus $3,200 spending money, making a total of $9,200.
Oh my gosh.
If you're executive GLT level, which is 12,500 cases, you get $6,000 cash compensation and 12,700 spending money, making a total of 18,700. I might have to put my hands over Greg's ears. 15K, you're getting $6,000 and $20,200 spending money, making a total of $26,200. And if you're a 20K, or will be a 20K this year, you'll earn $7,000 spending money and $7,000 compensation, $30,200 spending money, making a total of $37,200. That's
Go buy a boat.
That's almost $40,000.
Wow.
So I think
let's work hard.
I think it's worth the extra effort trying to get to those levels. Stay focused. Now, the other element we've got is the Soar to Sydney. You'll remember that was if you hit 500 cases, 750 cases, and 1,000 cases, you could earn some tickets to the rally or some room nights in Sydney if you booked your own flight. So it was conditional of yourself getting yourself there. So as Soar to Sydney qualifiers, obviously we've not got to the point of booking flights. So if you're on track to be Soar to Sydney qualifiers, still keep going. And you have 2 main benefits to look forward to if you hit that 500cc level, 750cc level, or 1000cc level. And your 2 main benefits is you'll receive attendance to the virtual global rally, so there won't be a fee for you. For non-qualifiers, we're expecting there may be a fee for the rally this year because we're going to do it a little different. So you'll get free attendance to the virtual global rally, and we're going to be sending you an exclusive rally gift. So keep going for that Soar to Sydney level. And just a little bit of information on the virtual global rally. What we're thinking right now, it's early days and we've got a lot of work to do, but we want to announce it before Christmas. Our thoughts is right now that it'll be in early April. It'll be a really, really exciting event that you can get your teams together. And looks like we'll be selling non-qualifier tickets. It'll be really interactive. It will be live. It will be dynamic. You will be involved. So we'll have trainings from all over the world. We'll be having the recognitions, as always, the chairman's bonus checks. We've got a bunch of new products in the pipeline. Gary, Holly, and the team are working amazingly hard to get those together, and they're really sweet. A ton of inspiration, lots and lots of surprises, and a ton of fun, as always. And it'll be really, really different, something truly unique for us at this difficult time. So more details to follow before the end of the year. That's quite a lot of stuff.
I think we learned a lot with the first virtual global rally that we did this past year. And we've already been discussing so many different ideas. It's going to be amazing, really. Right. And I think it'll be fun. And of course, the recognition is really, really important because these guys have been working super hard and they deserve it. But I think also we're really talking about having some high quality training that's going to give some tools to some of you that are watching. Not all of you take those tools and put them in your toolbox and use them, but for some of you that make that decision, these trainings are going to be high quality, powerful, and give you what you need to get to the next level the following year. So let's make sure we be excited about that, and that's why we're opening it up to non-qualifiers to join us if they want to, because it's going to be really powerful. We want to spread the word. We want to help not just you, but we want to help everyone be able to be successful and forever. And it's really important that we now focus with 2 months left You know, we just given you the details of what you're going to earn. I mean, that's pretty powerful, guys. I realize that a trip to Sydney is incredible and would have been so much fun and make memories long lasting. But, you know, we have to live with what we have. So we have the situation now where we can't go to Sydney, but you can put a lot of extra cash in your pocket and do whatever you want to. You can reinvest it in your business. You can buy a boat. You can buy a new house. You can do whatever you want to with it. It's very powerful to have cash in your pocket. So we got to look at where are we right now? 2 months left. Let's work hard. Let's go out, sponsor new people. People are looking for an opportunity like forever right now, like never before. Let's go find them. Let's invite them. Let's spend time with them. Let's invest in them. And I promise you it's going to pay back. It's going to pay back tenfold, 100-fold, much, much more. I think we may have a new level in GLT this year. Maybe.
It's looking close. You know who you are.
So, guys, let's work hard. Let's be together. Let's help each other. Let's lift each other up. And you're going to be so excited to be able to be one of those global rally qualifiers.
Yeah, once again, look out for that PDF after this live finishes. It details everything that we went through, so you can work out what it is you're going to get, and also try and help out your teams. And also start thinking, if you're a leader, and I know most of you are, start thinking about how you can use that live virtual event with 4 or 5 months to go to really build excitement. We know many of you have been recruiting like never before. So there's a load of new people coming into Forever, and what we want to do is use this event to really showcase what Forever is all about, what the power of what we do, the heart of what we do, the values that we have. So a lot of it will be aimed towards the newer people as well, to get them really, really excited and make sure that then they're focused on getting on track to be in Sydney in 22.
Yes, sir. Can I just say how much we miss you guys? Honestly, we miss you so much and cannot wait until that next event that we can have, when we can see you, be with you, give you a big hug, even a big kiss, because we miss you guys and we love you. You're a part of our Forever family. We want the very best for you. We are here for you. We love you. We support you. And let's go do it. Finish 2020 strong.
You can do it. Thanks for all you do.